always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
So ito lang pa yung parts natin mga boss, saka yung chassis, then yung engine natin. So ikabit muna natin to mga boss bago natin ikabit yung crankcase. So ito na yung mga parts mga boss. Yan, bagong repaint, handlebar, footrace. Ito yung crankcase natin mga boss. So hindi pa natin to nakuna ng tape. Itong nilagyan natin ng tape. Yan. So kunin na lang natin yan mamaya. So kunin ko muna yung mga bolt dito mga boss. So bago natin assemble-in yun. So yung una natin assemble itong makina mga boss. Ikabit muna natin. Ito yung tornilyo. Mahirapan tayo dito dahil tayo lang mag-isa. Busy. Oh my God! Wow!
I'm stable. Oh yeah, no label. Oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path. I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love. I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say.
So nakabit na natin yung engine mga boss. Ang isusunod natin dito is itong front shock dito para makabit na din natin yung gulong. Let's go.
I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the songs.
So kabit na lang natin mga boss itong gulong at saka yung swing arm para may tindig na itong motor na to.
I'm sick of being screwed, feel my adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
Kabit muna natin itong harness wire mga boss.
Break down, always feel like I could break now. Away now, I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. I'm alone, I'm alright. So
Yun na nga mga boss, tapos na din natin assemble tong RS na to. So ang kulang na lang natin ikabit dito mga boss yung backseat niya sa likod. Paki-support pala this video mga boss, and then i-shoutout ko kayo sa next video mga boss. Comment lang kayo sa comment section. So bago matapos yung ating video mga boss, montage muna natin tong motor na to. Let's go!